Hello class 10 children, so welcome to today's online class. So today again I will be discussing the last question from the chapter arithmetic progression. So here I have a question children, let us begin this question. If the sixth term of an AP is equal to 4 times its first term. So there is a comparison between the sixth term and the first term of an AP. As you all know children, the first term of the AP is called A and common difference is called D. So here first term is A. So let us try to find the sixth term of the AP. So my sixth term will be here in my solution. I will be finding my sixth term. So T6 sixth term, and the formula of term is A plus n minus 1 into D. So my sixth term now will be A plus, as my n value is 6, because sixth term means n value is 6. 6 minus 1 into D. Now I don't have any value of A and D. I do not know, because later on I will tell you have to find the value of A and D. Now A plus 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 into D is 5D. So my sixth term is here, and this sixth term is equal to 4 times its first term. So according to my first case, I can say that the sixth term, that is A plus 5D, this is my sixth term. This is equal to, the sixth term is equal to 4 times its first term. 4 times its first term means first term is A, 4 times means 4A. So the sixth term is 4 times of first term. Now you make an equation here. Bring this 4A and attach with this A. So my equation will be A minus 4A plus 5D equal to 0. This 4A came here and it became minus. Finally, my result will be minus 3A plus 5D equal to 0. Keep it as equation 1. So my first case is over. Now come to the second case. The sum of the first 6 terms is 75, and find the first term and the common difference. You have to find the value of A and D, first term and common difference, that is A and D. So here the sum of the first 6 term is 75. So sum of the first 6 term is given here. So what we will do here, we will write sum formula. Sum of 6 terms, that is S6. Sum of 6 terms, the formula of sum is n by 2, second bracket opens here, 2A plus first bracket n minus 1 into D, second bracket is closed. Here the sum value is given. The sum of the first 6 term is 75. That means the sum value will be 75. You write 75 and then equal to, as it is the sum, the 75 is the sum of 6 terms, so n value will be 6 here, because 6 terms means value of n is 6, that is 6 by 2. Rest like A value is not given, write same, plus n again here you write 6, because 6 terms, that was a matter of, this also was matter of 6 term, this is also matter of 6 term, but that is term, this is sum. 6 minus 1, and my D is D only. So now I will go that side and write the remaining works. So write 75 only here, 75. Now 6 by 2 is, you can cancel it, and the result is 3. So 6 by 2 is 3. Next 2A, write 2A plus 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 into D, 5D. So this is what the remaining portion. Now from here also I will try to make a equation. So now what I will do, 75 equal to, I can either multiply this 3 or I can bring this 3 and divide here. Why? Because multiplication on the right hand side comes to the left hand side and can become divide. So I brought this 3 and I divided with 75 because this is in multiplication form. So it came this side. Now what is remaining? Only 2a plus 5d. No need of writing bracket because 3 has come here. Now 3 can cancel this. 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. So now only I have 25 remaining here. So now I can interchange it. 2a plus 5d equal to 25. So 25 went that side, 2a plus 5d came this side. Interchanging of right hand side and left hand side. So this is my equation 2. So children, you can see my equation 1 is here and this is my equation 2. So with this equation 1 and 2, using elimination method, I can find the value of a and b. So I will write equation 1 and 2 once again. So my equation 1 is minus 3a plus 5d minus 3a plus 5d equal to 0. This is my equation 1, and this equation 2 I will write below this once again. 2a plus 5d equal to 25. This is my equation 2. So equation 1 and 2 I wrote here together. Now I will cancel either a or d, but here cancelling d is better. Why? Because 5d both are equal, we can cancel, but both are plus plus. So to make it one of them minus, we'll have to subtract. So subtract I am writing in shortcut. By writing subtraction, what happens? This plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, this plus also becomes minus. So now this 5d got cancelled, plus 5d minus 5d. Now minus 3a minus 2a, minus 3a minus 2a is minus 5a. Both are minus minus, both of them will be added and result also will be minus. And here will be 0 minus 25. 0 minus 25 is minus 25. So minus minus can be cancelled. So a will be equal to 25 by 5. Finally a value came here, a equal to 5, because 5 5s are 25. So my first answer has come. Find the first term. My first term is a and value of a is 5. Now with the help of a, I will get the value of d as well. Now to find the value of d, I will put this value of a in equation 1. My equation 1 is here. So this in equation 1, if I put the value of a, I will get the value of d. So now to find the value of d, I will erase the other remaining portions. So my next sentence will be putting the value of a in equation 1, and my equation 1 is here. I can even put in equation 2 as well. So my equation 1 is minus 3a plus 5d equal to 0, and don't forget my value of a is 5. So now I will erase everything. So now minus 3, value of a, you know, it was 5 plus 5d equal to 0. Next, minus 3 into 5 is minus 15 plus 5d equal to 0. So this minus 15 will go that side and become plus 15. So 5d equal to 15, because minus went and became plus, and this plus 5d I wrote here. So in the first position, plus is not required to write, we don't write plus here. So my d will be now equal to 15 by 5, and finally value of d will be 5 3s are 15. So this is my second answer. So my required solution, the required solution, required solution. So my value of a is 5 and value of d is, that is 3 here. So find the first term and common difference. My first term is 5 and common difference is 3. This is my answer. So children, very interesting and very easy question. You must practice it. Thank you children.